Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Welcome to my home vlogging. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. I just woke up. It was around, I think I woke up very early. Yeah, I woke up very early, around 6 o'clock that day. I wanted to do laundry as early as possible, plus I had my brother coming to the house to take the car. I borrowed him the car to go to somewhere, so I had to wake up and unlock the gate. This is how we charge our batteries for lighting in the evening. I don't take my solar panels outside. We do this every day because they will steal them, especially when we are not around. So it's a mutual thing that we do it like that. We put them there. We only take them outside towards the afternoon as long as we are around in the house. Yeah, this is my morning, and this water, I'm just gonna put it there for anyone who wants hot water, but I'm just going to take a cup of lemon water. I do that every day. This is becoming a norm. I take, even before I go to work, I take a cup of lemon water. I feel energetic. I feel cleansed if I take lemon water in the morning. So welcome to today's video. I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do the right thing, guys. Do the right thing and subscribe to this channel. Hi guys, welcome again. So I need to share with you my birthday present, which I wasn't expecting anyway. Not that I was expecting presents all those years. So when I was like relaxed in my time, boom, SMS, take a lot, and I can pin it to my friend. Because now I don't do take a lot. Maybe I have just recently registered that because I was looking on to buy something. I've never bought online. I did. I've never bought on from Take a Lot, but I once bought from Game online. Now, excuse me, there is the SMS in the morning, and I'm like, what? Let me just check. They were telling me when the parcel is arriving, so I checked what could it be, and immediately I have already unboxed it, guys. Immediately when I saw this, I knew it, that one from Pretoria is making the things happen in Polokwane right now. So the other time I was in Checkers, and it like, I think we were on a WhatsApp call, and when we were talking, I saw something like this, and I said, oh, I love this thing in. And then we switched on to video call. Then she saw it. Before I know it, it is here in my house. And of course, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy to have my friend Lea Motseba. More. So yeah, I'm so happy that I have the kind of friend that she's doing the most, and things are from the same person. These things are so heavy. This is cast iron. You see the pot, you see the thing, they are similar. Like the color palette, the colors are not the same, and I think it's same color palette, if you understand what I'm talking about. And I've been using the pots since. I'm loving them. I'm gonna put this to test. I wanted to put in a bargain. I wanted to buy a full chicken, but that is a skolotov to me. I wanted to buy a full chicken, but I didn't have a car the whole day, so all I have was pieces that I always buy, those trays that I always buy during Lady Bonica. I mean, I mentioned them on my grocery haul, so that's what I am going to put inside and cook them, guys. They're so beautiful. At this moment, Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. I love you and I will always love you, and I'm thankful to God that I met you. It's not the only friend that I have. I also have others. Friends, reach out. Mugele omuli birthday. Like I told you guys on my WhatsApp status, I'm going to celebrate my birthday until 16 June. The 16 June is the only date that can expire my birthday. So lili namo langwa, reach out mola di DM ja Instagram. I receive presents. I have PayPal also. I have super thanks here on YouTube. So guys, I'm still on my birthday mood, so I'm going to celebrate until when and when I can. Ne? It comes once in a year. I have to appreciate God for letting me see this day. 29 August, that was the day. So that is the thing that I have received from my friend, guys. Let me just go and start using it. I have already washed it. I opened it because my boy is so my boy wants to, it's sneaky, so I opened it, washed it already. I wanted to open it on camera, but I couldn't. Even my mood were not giving in the morning. I was a little bit down, so but yeah, that's the thing that I have received on my birthday. By the way, I received this thing on the 1st of September, so it was for my birthday, like I mentioned, and I love it very much. In the meantime, while I was doing any other things, the meat was marinated. I had put the spices that I have in the cupboard. I'm not gonna mention them. You guys know my spices. Paprika is one of them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it there while I am going to clean the stove on top. It hasn't been clean for a while. I was just wiping it, but it had got some greasy marks, so it wanted a soak and clean it thoroughly.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening?
So that it can be left with the grease only, and soak it with handy sunlight liquid and a solution of water and vinegar. I'm just gonna spread them over and we'll leave it for some times. I don't know how long did I leave it there. And because the stove was working, the stove was burning in the oven, this thing started being hot on top and it nearly got dry, so I quickly saw that and went clean it fast. one was salad, yeah, potato, the famous one with eggs and mayonnaise. And I wanted spinach. I didn't have. The one in my yard is getting old. It's now doing some seeds, so I'm no longer eating it. I think its time has expired because it's a winter spinach and we are in spring now. And then I did some gravy and together with the pap. But this meal, guys, pap was not relevant. On a serious note, pap was not relevant for this meal. I actually wanted to just cook a full chicken, but I didn't have a car to go buy. The only thing that I had was the pieces that I bought for my monthly groceries. That's what I had. But trust me, I need to be cooking a full chicken with my casserole. The way I love it, it's a credit that I must cook a full chicken with it. And guys, now I forgot. I think I'm getting old. I forgot that even my cast iron pots can go in the oven. I should have been cooking my meat in the oven, not from the top of the stove, because the trays that I bought for chicken, I don't know how they taste. I always complain about that product from that chicken. The salt, it doesn't absorb the salt in the inside of the meat. I don't know if I'm making sense. Mara, when it's from the oven, everything goes inside. Like, guys, I'm still gonna cook a full chicken. Just put it there, chop it up, eat it with some veggies without pap or Thank you for spending time with me. We are coming to the end of the video. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.